سلامی دوباره. یکی از افکت‌ها و سبک‌هایی که اکثر طراحا دوست دارن گلیچ هست که مخاطب رو جذب طرح میکنه. در این آموزش بهتون یاد میدم که چجوری یک بک‌گراند به سبک گلیچ بسازید و لذت ببرید.
And I'm still waiting on the brighter days. Been a minute, been rough many times more. And I'm kicking rocks to a sky of gray. Praying hard, talk to me before I'm done for. And I take L's like day to day. Oh shit, right now hopeless. So I write songs to wash the pain away. I just wanna smile, nothing else more. Oh shit, notice more hits, big time. Numbers could record this. I'm upset, depressed. What's next? I haven't 7 days, anxiety insane. I've been on the road 1 month on the road, tour shows, overload, rage out music videos. Wait, run it back. Right now I can make it back, way back. Promise that everybody laugh at that. Right now you can take up my time. I'm not nice now. Been busy making waves in my hometown, and you the main reason that I'm so down. Get the fuck out my life, could you stay out? Barely started getting used to you away now, but I wanted you to stay, can't explain how. I just need some time to think on how it played out. Man, fuck it, I don't have no time. Bitch, full tank, throw it to the hood, burn out, smoke. Hoping that my demons never find out where I go. I ain't no bitch, I just need some time alone before I pick my feet up for another round, let's go. I feel I'm unfit for any glory that I hold, cause I have so much problems haven't fixed inside my home. But I seen crowd control on a playlist out in Rome, and maybe I can be the man I want inside my home. Hey, oh so basic, hope you play this. Damn, I prayed it, nice song and I became this. Old souls fake it, pay those placements, fuck shit. And I'm still waiting on the brighter days. Been a minute, been rough many times more. And I'm kicking rocks to a sky of gray. Praying hard, talk to me before I'm done for. And I take L's like day to day. Oh shit, right now hopeless. So I write songs to wash the pain away. I just wanna smile, nothing else more. Hey, oh so basic, hope you play this. Nice song and damn I pray this. I became this, old souls fake it, pay those placements, fuck shit. Hey, God so gracious, you're my hatred, cause I know few that I run face with. Spice so dangerous, friend are aiming, envious brainless. Fucking randoms. Hey, everybody like, yeah, rap star shit. Really wanna rock like this. Hey, check my wrist. Wait for when the bike will slip. Yeah, no time for the kid. Don't hit me with the old friend shit. Why everybody glass so quick? You never used to watch my shit like get up, get up, get up, get up, yeah. Fuck a word, little bitch. Flip my curse to a LV purse. Fuck it, either way had to occur. Hey, friends like snakes with a mask on. I'ma stay chill till you take off. Why you mad? I just wanna track on. You couldn't even name my last star. Acting up, acting up. Drop that song by the Acura. Really do advise that you don't mistake my patience, or I can't handle much. Dig through dirt, put years work, yes sir, come first, not after 'em. Can't trust much, right now I'm feeling like fucking, I'ma take out half of 'em. Yeah, rap star shit. Really wanna ride like this, ayy. Check my wrist, with floor with the back will slip. Yeah, no time of kid. Don't hit me with the old friends.
حالا با استفاده از فیلتر لیکویفای و بعد تغییر دادن مود لایه ها برای درست کردن گلیچ رندر رو آماده میکنیم.
Cigarette stress, feeling like I can never do nothing right. So hurt, tossed, turned in the night. I just wanna scream, wanna fight. Oh, I'm so done. Just let go, go. Hey, you can can never feel what I'm like. You could change sunset at night. Why stay sparking the fights? Can we just talk for the night? Oh, I'm so done, just let go. Go. Hey, don't text, tell me right. I could take pain, I'm alright. Done worse, spoke less, stacked up regrets. Tell me right. I already know what it's like. I'm already breaking inside. I just need to hear from you right now. You so cold. You so cold.
با استفاده از ابزار اسماج به این صورت روی تک تک لایه ها میکشید تا طرحمون به سبک گلیچ در بیاد.
You left me on my own. You stress me and you go. Why so subtle when you don't? This been everything you want. Cold cigarette stress feeling like life can never do nothing right. And you could turn sunset into night. Always gonna spark up enough fight. Cold cigarette stress feeling like life can never do nothing right. And you could turn sunset into night. Always gonna spark up enough fight.
Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what your mama took, sweet and spicy like a cook, yeah. I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me feel. Get out your heels, grab on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. Don't have regrets, I know what's next. She need a fresh, I'll be back in a sec. Look at them legs, don't make me beg. Back to the room, let me show you my bed. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. I could look at you all day, watch the way them hips sway. Love your body, so I pray, don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say, lost my mind cause your frame. Hey girl, what's your name? Lit me up just like a flame. Body in motion, I feel the commotion, beyond you like lotion. I'm honest and broken, I flow like the ocean. I feel you were chosen to fix me, I'm broken. My heart that you stolen, hey. Stay with me, play with me, lay with me. Hate to see when you leave, chemistry feels like it's destiny. I just want you laying next to me, and I really don't want you to test me. On your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Deep down, I know I'm a fighter. Deep down, I know my desires. Everybody thinks that I'm just a liar. They don't know what I got inside ya. I'm the one to fight fire with fire. I'm the type who never lets me get tired. Mess with me and they never will find ya. Yeah. People tell me I won't get it. They don't know me cause I'm cold winning. Always in the ninth, I closing. It's always in my mind, don't know quitting. I'ma be the one that blows up in it. You gon' be the one that shows up missing. I'ma be the one that knows my mission. You gon' be the one with no ambition. I'ma make you take it all back. You ain't never gonna get me, man, I'm too fast. Call me the juice, that 40-yard dash. Always look forward, no, never look back. I just spit the truth, better listen to my facts. Get me up in the booth and I put them on a blast. When I spit the truth, they I'll listen to the rest. Got nothing to lose, so I put the pen to bed. That's what I do, hard work always lasts. And the pain's not a neck, no, it hurts real bad. But you have to attack what you want to attract, or you're gonna look back and regret what you lack. Everybody knows that's a fact. Yeah, I just want my words to impact. Yeah, I just want my words to all last. Yeah, not sorry if I put you on blast.
They know just what they see on the outside. They don't know just what I'm like on the inside. If you knew what I could do, you'd watch your backside. If you knew what I could do, you'd stay in at night. I'm the type of dude you don't wanna fuck with. I'm the type of dude enough is enough, bitch. I'm the type of dude who never gets complacent. I'm the type of dude who knows he's gonna make it, I'll make it.
Escape from my thoughts like a black hole. Can't escape from these thoughts and these assholes. Too many people feeling entitled. Too many people staying idle. Man, I work every day for the title, and I'ma get it, that thought is final. The way I think you could say is primal. Kill it, be killed, I'm your rival. I don't lose, no. I'ma be the one they choose, though. You can be the one they lose, ho. Way too busy and snooze, bro. I'ma be the one to rise up in it. Never gonna fall, I fight till I get it. Always staying tall, got pride, I'm grinning. I don't really think I'll ever find my limit. And I know that they all wanna hate me, but they see me on the climb, so they wait, see. If I make it, then they just might say, B, you been doing so good, brother K-Lee. I don't wanna hear your words, all the fake shit. Now I want my day, wanted to be patient. All the same people, never been complacent. We've been working hard, man, we on the same shit. I'm not just a sinner, I eat you for dinner. I'm not a beginner, I'll paint you a picture. I got a guitar and they play that shit every day. No, I was not that great, figured out how to play. Learned how to change the beat, learned how to rap and sing. Passion is everything, loved it throughout my teens. 10,000 hours, so I could be fucking king. Hand me the ground, I just get out my fucking ring.
They know just what they see on the outside. They don't know just what I'm like on the inside. If you knew what I could do, you'd watch your backside. If you knew what I could do, you'd stay in at night. I'm the type of dude you don't wanna fuck with. I'm the type of dude enough is enough, bitch. I'm the type of dude who never gets complacent. I'm the type of dude who knows he's gonna make it, I'll make it.
خب امیدوارم که تونسته باشم بهتون کمک کنم و این سبک رو یاد گرفته باشید. البته این یکی از روش‌هایی بود که میتونستید طرح رو با ایده گلیچ درست کنید. اگر میخواید با استفاده از ابزارهای دیگه هم این سبک رو آموزش بدم، حتما توی کامنت ها برام بنویسید. یا که سابسکرایب یادتون نره. پس تا یه آموزش دیگه، بدرود.